Okay, so you're packing for that big golf trip, right? And the age-old problem hits you.
Yeah. How do you keep your precious clubs safe? Like, really safe?
Exactly. Without hauling something that feels like, I don't know, a giant, unusable coffin through the airport.
Right. It's a balancing act.
Today we're diving deep into one potential answer. The Unihimmel full hard case golf travel bag.
Mm-hmm.
And the big question we're trying to answer for you, the listener, is this. Is this thing genuinely protective? Or is it just like one source called it, expensive luggage theater?
Well, let's look at the specs first. On paper, it sounds great. Peace of mind, basically.
So what are we talking about?
This is the full hard shell model, so a polycarbonate exterior, meant to be crush resistant.
Polycarbonate. Okay.
Yeah.
Tough stuff.
Supposedly. Reinforced handles, too, and they say it's waterproof. Design-wise, it fits bags up to 46 inches long, about 10.5 inches wide.
Which covers most standard sets, yeah.
Pretty much. The idea is maximum shield against, well, let's be honest, baggage handlers.
And this is the part that really jumped out at me. The real-world stories. We found this one anecdote. It was kind of shocking, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Someone said they dropped a fully loaded case from about 3 feet.
Okay.
And apparently not a scratch on the clubs inside. That's way beyond what you'd expect from a soft bag, right?
Oh, absolutely. That's the hard shell advantage right there.
Yeah.
Big impacts, drops, slams. That's where it shines.
So problem solved. Get the hard case.
Well, hold on. This is where we need to be clear about the protection hierarchy, let's call it.
Higher.
Yeah, it's excellent, truly excellent at stopping those, 90+% of catastrophic impact dangers.
The big drops, like you said.
Exactly. But just because it survives a drop doesn't mean it protects against everything. It's not a magic bullet.
Wait, hang on. If it survives a 3-foot drop, what else is there? I thought that was the main worry.
That's the trap people fall into. See, the rigid outside, it doesn't do much, or anything really, to stop internal vibration stress.
Ah, right, like on the conveyor belts.
Yeah.
Or just rattling around in the plane.
Precisely. Hours of that low-level shaking, it can still put stress on graphite shafts, maybe loosen club heads over time.
So even with this super tough case,
You still gotta be smart. Take your driver heads off, pad things inside, use those internal straps, don't just toss them in. Preparation is still key.
okay, good heads up. So protection is high, but not total. Now let's talk about the trade-offs, because there are always trade-offs.
And the big one here is weight. Definitely weight.
How big are we talking?
This full hard model, it weighs 14.6 pounds, empty.
Wow. Okay, that's significant. That eats into your airline weight limit immediately. Like what's the usual limit? 50 pounds?
Often, yeah. So you've lost almost a third of your allowance before you even put your clubs, shoes, balls, anything in there.
That's a hefty penalty just for the case itself.
And it connects directly to the next problem, logistics, or maybe logistical nightmares.
What do you...
Users consistently mention this. Once you're off the plane, that rigid, bulky box is just incredibly hard to manage.
Like getting it into cars.
Exactly. Trying to squeeze this thing into a standard rental car or a city cab, maybe a smaller Uber. People said it turns a simple airport transfer into a real struggle.
So you're trading convenience and flexibility for that top-level protection.
That's the fundamental exchange, yes.
Yeah.
Protection versus practicality.
And maybe, ironically, even though it protects the clubs well, the case itself might have some durability issues.
Yeah, we saw some worrying reports there, too. Specific weak spots seem to pop up.
Like what?
One buyer reported the top carry strap just detached, like almost immediately. Seconds into use, they said.
Oh, that's bad. Especially wrestling a heavy case like that.
Definitely not ideal. Others mentioned zippers getting stressed or misaligned after just a few trips. Seems coming loose, too. It seems the overall build quality might not always match the shell's toughness.
Okay, so putting it all together,
Yeah.
who is this actually for?
Right, the verdict. Look, if you're a serious golfer, flying a lot, maybe you have really premium clubs, and your absolute top priority above all else is maximum protection against impacts.
And you don't mind the weight or the potential hassle with cars.
Then, yeah, this bag is probably a defensible investment for you. It likely offers the most peace of mind you can get against those big, scary drops and impacts.
But it's a specific audience.
Very specific.
And it's worth remembering, Unihimmel makes another option, right? It's sort of hybrid.
That's key, yes. They also have a semi-hard shell version. It keeps the hard top part for that crush protection up top.
Where the club heads are?
Exactly. But the body is made from 1680 ballistic nylon fabric. Still waterproof.
1680, that sounds tough, like military grade stuff.
It is. Very durable, high-wear fabric. But it shaves off some weight, maybe quite a bit, and adds a little flexibility, a bit of give.
Which might make it easier to handle, easier to pack in a car.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
And that really brings us to the final thought we wanted to leave you with. Is that chase for ultimate protection, with the full hard case's cost, its weight, all the logistical headaches, is it truly worth it? Especially when even it can't completely eliminate every single risk, like that internal vibration stress we talked about?
That last
Yeah.
little percentage point of risk it can't cover.
Yeah. How much is mitigating that tiny remaining risk worth, weighed against the very real downsides of the full hard case? That's the calculation you need to make based on your own travel, your clubs, and your tolerance for hassle versus your desire for security.